Good morning, class 4. I hope you all are doing good. Now, as you all know that we all are revising our chapters one by one. Why? Because we have our half yearlies coming very soon, and for that you need to prepare and you need to start your preparation as soon as possible. So today we are going to revise our chapter number 6, that is Omana's journey. And in this chapter, what did we study? We studied that there is a girl whose name is Omana, and Omana along with her friend Radha were planning a trip to Kerala, where Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going on a holiday with her family. But unfortunately, Radha got her leg fractured for six weeks, so she was unable to go on this trip. So, what she suggested to Omana, she suggested that Omana should write down all the details of her trip in a diary so that when she comes back, Radha could read all of the information related to her trip and she could be able to know what all interesting thing happened during her trip. So after that we got to know about the train journey. Yes, Omana was going through a train. So we are going to discuss a lot of things related to train in this chapter. How a train journey looks like and what all things include during the train journey. So to catch the train, Omana reached the train station. Now, first you need to remember that Omana boarded the train from which station? She boarded the train from Ahmedabad. Okay, and the train in which she boarded, that train started from Gandhidham, which is again in Gujarat. Ahmedabad, Gandhidham, they both are located in Gujarat. So she boarded the train from Ahmedabad and the train had started from Gandhidham. In this train, she got to know the berths. Berths means which are the seats on which the passengers sit, and they were carrying a ticket. And on the ticket, as you all know, that our whole information is on the ticket: our berth number, our details, our age, okay, our names, and our coach number. So all these information is written on a ticket. And while she was on her journey, she came across so many helpers, so many people who are present on the railway station. For example, we have ticket checker. The job of ticket checker is to check whether the passengers are carrying ticket or not, or they are sitting on their right seat or not. So this is the job of the ticket checker. She also came across so many food vendors. Okay, they were selling tasty and yummy foods, yummy food material, which she came across while she was on her train journey. She also got to know so many helpers apart from ticket checker. For example, there was a coolie, and there was a sweeper, there was a guard, there was a policeman. Okay, so all of these helpers were there on the railway station as well. So these were the information which we came across in this chapter. Now we are going to revise some questions based on this chapter. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Class 4, I hope you all are doing good. Now today we are going to revise some questions which are based on our chapter number 6, that is Omana's journey. So we'll discuss questions one by one. Question number 1 says, whose idea was it for Omana to write a diary of her journey? As we saw in the very beginning of the story, that this whole chapter is based on based on the information which Omana wrote in her diary. So the pages which are there in the story has been taken from the diary of Omana. So whose idea was it? So it was Radha's Amma's idea. Okay, so Radha is Omana's friend, and her mother, Radha's friend, suggested, Radha's mother suggested to Omana that she should write all the details of her journey in a diary so that Radha, her friend, could read all of it and she could also enjoy her journey. So it was Radha's Amma's idea for Omana to write a diary of her journey. Question number 2. What had Omana's Amma brought in the tiffin? So Omana's Amma had brought dhokla with chutney, lemon rice and mithai in the tiffin. So now they were traveling in the train, and you all must have traveled in the train, and while traveling in the train we all carry some of our food material along with us, right? So like that, Radha was also carrying some of the food material which her mother had prepared at her home. So they were having dokla with chutney, lemon rice and mithai in the tiffin. Why couldn't Radha go with Omana to Kerala? So what was the reason? Because Radha and Omana were planning a trip together, right? So what was the reason behind Radha not going on this trip? So it was because Radha couldn't it was because that Radha got her leg fractured. She fell while she was riding a bicycle and she got her leg fractured for 6 weeks. So that is why Radha couldn't go on this trip with Omana. Now we'll discuss some fill-ups. Part 1 says the doctor said that Radha should not move her leg for 6 weeks, because I just told you that Radha got her leg fractured and she was supposed to take rest for 6 weeks. The train had started. So this is very important to avoid any confusion. In this chapter they had discussed 3 places. Okay, so those 3 places are: first, Omana was going to her grandmother's house, and that was in Kerala. So she was going to Kerala, and she boarded in the train from which station? She boarded from Ahmedabad station in Gujarat. And this train in which she boarded, this train has started from another station, and that station was Gandhidham, which is again located in Gujarat. So these 3 places are there mentioned in the chapter, which you need to learn by heart, so to avoid any kind of confusion. Okay, so the train had started from Gandhidham, and Gandhidham is located in Gujarat. Now we'll discuss some true false. So for true statement which are correct in every sense, we'll write capital T, and those sentences which are incorrect, we will write F for false. Part 1 says the train reached Valsad early in the morning. Is that true? That is false, because the train had started from Gandhidham in the morning and it reached Valsad by evening. So this is false. Sunil and An. So Sunil and An were 2 college going friends which Omana met during her train journey, and they both were going to Kerala as well. But in Kerala they were going to Kozhikode. So Sunil and An were also going to Kerala? Yes, they were going to Kerala. So this is true statement. So these were the exercises which you are supposed to write down and revise very carefully, because these are important from your exam point of view. And after revising, you will complete this worksheet in your EVS notebook, and you will submit your work in the homework group before 5 p.m. That's it for today. Thank you so much. Take care.